Installation instructions for seal chassis plate. Raise the car. Note: perform simple screw fixing first. Easy to adjust midstream. Finally tighten all the screws. Installation of battery plate. Battery plate installation. First, remove the original car screws. Use a torch wrench to remove the 8 marked screws. Battery plate installation. First, remove the original car screws. Use a torch wrench to remove the marked 7 screws. Removal of the original car screws of the front battery plate. Use screwdriver Phillips. Remove the 5 screws at the mark. Removal of the original car screws of the front battery plate. Use screwdriver Phillips. Remove the 7 screws at the mark. Only display some locations. Installation of front battery plate. Use 8 PCS 15mm hex socket screws and 8 PCS washers. Fix the mark in the picture. Fixing screws, showing only a partial process. Screw fixation complete. The front battery guard covers the rear battery guard. Use 14 internal hex screws 15mm and 14 washers. Fix rear battery guard. Only part of the installation process is shown. Use sleeve 10mm to unscrew the screws marked in the picture. No need to remove the original plastic guard plate. Installation of rear motor guard. The mark is the connecting screw. Use M620 screws. No need to remove the original plastic guard plate. Use M630 screws at the mark. No need to remove the original plastic guard plate. Show the tails only. Remove the marked original car screws. Use a 10mm sleeve. No need to remove the original plastic guard. Remove the marked original car screw. Use a screwdriver Phillips. No need to remove the original plastic guard. Install front motor guard plate. Install 11 M625 screws. Instrument sleeve 10mm. Screws on the skin. Fix it by hand. Install the self-tapping screws. Tool screwdriver Phillips. Install self-tapping screws. All fixations have been completed now. Tighten all the screws to complete the installation.